All right, so I want you to try to find the equation of the tangent line for the following curve. It's not a function, obviously. So we need to find the derivative and the slope. I want you to do point slope form. All right, so we need to find the slope, which means we need the derivative dy dx at the point 1, 2. All right? Oh! All right. What you heard there was a little technical difficulty, but we have to find the derivative. And you have to see this as 4 terms. All right? And to start off with, realize that this is going to give you 1 term of a derivative. This is the product rule is going to give you 2 terms. This is going to give you 1 term, and this is just the derivative of 36 is going to be 0. So we have a product rule in the middle. So I'm going to take the derivative of 4x squared, which is simply 8x plus. I'm going to use 6x squared as f. I'm going to use y as g. And we know that the product rule of fg is f prime g plus g prime f. All right? I always do x first anyway. So the derivative of 6x squared y with respect to x is 12xy plus, then I'll do the other one, which is g prime f. Derivative of y, or 6x squared y with respect to y, is 6x squared y prime. And the derivative of 5y squared is plus 10y y prime equals 0. So your derivative ended up having 5 terms. 0 is a term. We're going to minimize the recorder. And now I really have to solve for y prime, so I can get a value here. All right? So I will solve for y prime by moving the first 2 terms to the other side and factoring out the y prime of the remaining 2 terms. And I will get that y prime is equal to, now, did somebody else get this? Did I not make a math mistake today? All right. I like when I don't make math mistakes. All right. So here I am, and I want to find dy dx at 0.12. So I just have to evaluate this now at 0.12. So I'm going to plug in x is 1, y is 2. And this might seem like overkill, but guys, the one thing I will tell you about this, often our mistakes are at the math level. They're not the calculus level. Our mistake is right now trying to evaluate it at the point, is what happens here. So I get y prime at this point is equal to negative 8 minus 24 over 6 plus 20, which is negative 32 over 26, both even, which is negative 16 over 13. That is the slope at this point, period. All right? So now I know the slope, I know the point. Finding the tangent line is easy using point slope form. So I'll change color to blue. Point is 1 comma 2, so y minus 2 equals negative 16/13 times the quantity x minus 1. There's something wrong with my pen. It's really not writing very well. And we just found the tangent line to a curve. Now, guys, we all agree this is not a function. Do we agree? This fails the vertical line test any number of spots, I'm sure. All right?